Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change password on Guarda Wallet. To change your password on Guarda Wallet, first of all launch open the Guarda application on your mobile device. Enter your wallet's password in the text box and tap on Unlock Wallet. Once you're logged into your wallet, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Security Center. Tap on Change Password on the next page. Now, in the old password text box, enter your current password for your wallet. After you are done typing in your current password, enter the new password you would like to change to. Once you are done entering the new password, repeat the new password once again in the last box. Finally, after you are done, tap on Change Password at the bottom. Right after you do that, you will then be able to change your password for Guarda Wallet. Now, next time you try opening up your app, you will need to enter the newly created password and tap on Unlock Wallet. And that's how you easily change your password on Guarda Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.